Transhumanism is a bold concept, a vision of the future where humanity attempts to transcend its biological limitations. It is the belief that we can use technology to alter our physical and cognitive abilities, to live longer, healthier lives, and to ultimately become something beyond human. It is about using our ingenuity and creativity to confront the challenges that have plagued us for millennia. It is about embracing the uncertain possibilities that lie ahead and attempting to shape our own destiny. Imagine a world where disease is eradicated, where aging is reversed, and where our minds can connect directly to the internet. This is the promise of transhumanism, a future where the boundaries of human potential are constantly being pushed, but at what cost? But transhumanism is not without its critics. Some argue that it is unnatural, that it tampers with the very essence of what it means to be human. Others fear that it will create a society divided between the enhanced and the unenhanced, where only the wealthy and privileged have access to these transformative technologies. The transhumanist vision is fueled by a confluence of rapidly advancing technologies. These technologies are the tools that will allow us to reshape our bodies and minds, to transcend our biological limitations, and to usher in a new era of human existence. Transhumanism focuses on enhancing the human condition through technological advancements. It aims to improve human abilities and extend lifespan through means such as genetic modification, cybernetic implants, and artificial intelligence. Chimeras, on the other hand, are organisms composed of cells from different species, typically created for research purposes. The primary goal of creating chimeras is to study biological processes, develop disease models, and explore potential medical applications like organ transplantation. The video on chimeras is linked at the end of this video, which will focus on just transhumanism. So consider technologies that are used in creating transhumans. Nanotechnology, for example, promises to revolutionize medicine by enabling us to manipulate matter at the atomic level. Imagine tiny nanobots coursing through our bloodstream, repairing damaged cells, delivering drugs with pinpoint accuracy, and even reversing the aging process. Biotechnology is another key driver of transhumanism, offering the potential to modify our genes and enhance our physical and cognitive abilities. Gene editing techniques like CRISPR-Cas9 are already being used to treat genetic diseases, and in the future, they could be used to enhance muscle mass, boost intelligence, and even extend lifespan. Artificial intelligence, AI, is perhaps the most transformative technology of our time, with the potential to surpass human intelligence and reshape society as we know it. AI-powered prosthetics are already restoring mobility to amputees, and in the future, advanced brain-computer interfaces could allow us to merge our minds with machines, creating a new breed of hybrid beings with superhuman intelligence. The pursuit of transhumanism raises profound ethical questions that demand careful consideration. As we stand on the cusp of this technological revolution, we must grapple with the potential consequences of our actions and ensure that these powerful tools are used responsibly. One of the most pressing ethical concerns is the issue of equality. Will these transformative technologies be available to everyone, or will they exacerbate existing social and economic disparities? If only the wealthy have access to life extension therapies, will it create a society of immortals and mortals, further entrenching inequality? Another ethical challenge is the potential for unintended consequences. The human body is a complex and interconnected system, and even seemingly minor modifications could have unforeseen and potentially harmful effects. Before we begin tinkering with our biology, we need to ensure that we fully understand the risks involved. Furthermore, we must consider the philosophical implications of transhumanism. What does it mean to be human in an age of radical technological enhancement? If we can augment our intelligence, extend our lifespans, and even merge our minds with machines, will we still be the same species? Transhumanism is reshaping our world, redefining work, relationships, and humanity. Automation and AI will transform workplaces, leading to shifts in economic systems. It could also transform our relationships and social interactions. Imagine telepathic communication and shared memories. This raises concerns about privacy and consent. Our legal frameworks will need to adapt to these changes. Humanity has long been captivated by the dream of living forever. Advances in biotechnology, nanotechnology, and AI make extending human lifespan a tangible possibility. Scientists are developing drugs and artificial organs to combat aging. Some believe we may achieve digital immortality by uploading our consciousness. But this raises ethical and societal questions. Would immortality lead to overpopulation and resource depletion? Would it create a society divided between the ageless and the aging? Would the meaning of life diminish if death were no longer certain? Expanding the mind's reach. Imagine a world where you could learn a new language overnight, recall vast amounts of information with perfect clarity, and solve complex problems with ease. This is the promise of cognitive enhancement, a key pillar of the transhumanist vision. Researchers are exploring a variety of techniques to boost brain power, from drugs that improve memory and focus to non-invasive brain stimulation techniques that enhance cognitive function. In the future, advanced brain-computer interfaces could allow us to connect our minds directly to the internet, giving us access to a virtually limitless storehouse of information and processing power. However, cognitive enhancement raises a number of ethical concerns. Would it create an unfair advantage for those who have access to these technologies? Could it lead to a society where people are pressured to enhance their cognitive abilities in order to compete? Furthermore, we must consider the potential impact of cognitive enhancement on our sense of self and our relationships with others. If we can enhance our intelligence and alter our personalities at will, what does it mean to be human? Would we still value human connection and empathy in a world where everyone is cognitively enhanced? Section 6. Enhancing cognition. Expanding the mind's reach. Imagine learning a new language overnight, recalling vast information with perfect clarity, and solving complex problems with ease. This is cognitive enhancement, a key pillar of the transhumanist vision. Researchers are boosting brain power, from memory drugs to non-invasive brain stimulation. In the future, advanced interfaces could connect our minds to the internet, giving us limitless information and processing power. But ethical concerns arise. Would it create unfair advantages? Could it pressure society to enhance to compete? We must consider its impact on self and relationships. If we alter our intelligence and personalities, what does it mean to be human? Would we still value human connection and empathy? From restoring lost function to enhancing existing capabilities, technological augmentation has the potential to fundamentally alter the human experience. Imagine a world where prosthetic limbs are not just replacements but enhancements, allowing people to run faster, jump higher, and lift heavier weights than ever before. Advanced prosthetics are already blurring the line between human and machine. These devices are becoming increasingly sophisticated, incorporating sensors, actuators, and artificial intelligence to provide intuitive control and lifelike movement. In the future, we could see the development of fully integrated bionic limbs that are even stronger and more versatile than their biological counterparts. But the potential of augmentation extends far beyond prosthetics. Imagine exoskeletons that give us superhuman strength, implants that enhance our senses, and even genetic modifications that improve our physical resilience and extend our lifespan. As we continue to push the boundaries of augmentation, we must consider the ethical and societal implications of these technologies. Will everyone have equal access to these enhancements, or will they create a new form of inequality? How will these technologies impact our self-perception and our relationships with others? The future of transhumanism is a tapestry woven from threads of scientific possibility, ethical dilemma, and societal transformation. While the exact trajectory of this movement remains uncertain, several predictions can be made with a degree of confidence. First, the pace of technological advancement will continue to accelerate, driven by exponential growth in computing power, artificial intelligence, and biotechnology. This will lead to the development of increasingly sophisticated and powerful tools for human enhancement, from gene editing techniques that can cure diseases and enhance abilities, to brain-computer interfaces that allow us to merge our minds with machines. Second, the ethical and societal implications of transhumanism will become increasingly central to public discourse. As these technologies become more powerful and widespread, we will need to grapple with fundamental questions about what it means to be human, the nature of consciousness, and the future of our species. Third, transhumanism will likely lead to a diversification of human experience. As individuals gain access to increasingly sophisticated tools for self-modification, we will see the emergence of a wide range of human augmentations and enhancements, leading to a more diverse and complex society. The transhumanist revolution is not some distant event, it is happening now. We are living in an era of unprecedented technological advancement, an era where the boundaries of human potential are being redefined at an accelerating pace. The choices we make today will determine the course of this revolution and shape the future of our species. It is imperative that we engage in a thoughtful and informed dialogue about the ethical and societal implications of transhumanism. We must ensure that these powerful technologies are developed and used responsibly, in a way that benefits all of humanity. This is not a task for scientists and policymakers alone. There must be a restructuring of medical oversight. We the people must educate ourselves about the potential benefits and risks of transhumanism, and work together to amplify our voices for the purpose of creating a future where these transformative technologies are used to create a more secure, equitable, and better world for all. Embracing the future of humanity. Transhumanism represents a fundamental shift in our understanding of what it means to be human. It challenges us to confront our limitations, to embrace the possibilities of technology, and to imagine a future where we are no longer bound by the constraints of our biology. The road ahead will undoubtedly be fraught with challenges. There will be ethical dilemmas to navigate, societal changes to manage, and unforeseen consequences to address. But the potential rewards of transhumanism are too great to ignore. By embracing the transformative power of technology, by engaging in thoughtful and informed dialogue, and by working together to create a more just and equitable future, we can harness the potential of transhumanism to usher in a new era of human existence, an era where we transcend our limitations and achieve our full potential as a species. The future of humanity is in our hands. Let us choose wisely.